This was a Montgomery. Rather one went down one. Look what happened to it. It got a Schindler replacement, a very nice one, and though because I heard this thing used to be this went down. Spread that. If I look at it closely, this actually reminds me of the Thyssenkrupp. Wait patiently. Here it comes. You can hear the hair dryers. We're gonna pause it for a little while. We're back, and now it's coming.
Move right, buddy.
1 minute. These people just. And this elevator is incredibly busy. Here it is.
Move right.
So there's no. Oops. Look at this new cab. Ooh. What floor?
Second. Or were we on third?
Just taking a trip.
Yeah, definitely. Thinking about that purchase. Now it's like the reality of it. Said, dang, that's $70. Listen, because I was talking to this boy.
Yeah, I bought it back to reality. You took it back to play very soft.
Okay.
Hey man,
Is it second floor?
This is the second floor, yes.
I guess it's going to 3. So
This elevator is going up to 3.
Push come to shove. I just want you for a week. Yeah. Fasting. Jay said he lost 20 pounds fasting. That's actually impressive.
We have 3. This is the third floor.
we can try this floor. Yeah.
Everybody go back to 1.
Get on 1. Here's a cab view of this thing. It's really, really nice. Okay, we're not moving.
Okay, we go back to Macy's.
Okay.
Do you hear me?
Did I just get stuck in this?
What are you doing? Don't do that.
What? Did we just got stuck? Oh, we I thought I didn't hear a floor passing chime.
Second floor.
Going down?
There we go? Yeah.
Go.
Sorry, buddy.
Sorry for that business. I couldn't tell with that. I cannot tell if it even moved or not. Can't hear the fixtures. I did not mean to press 3.
First floor.
That's it.